Hey, Pushers, Mr. Imatsu here, coming with your last activity through period 8. Congratulations, you made it through a really big one, a really thick one, really a little bit of a confusing one. Congratulations on making it through. For this activity, because it was such a long one and it goes back and it has so many different undercurrents, from the war, the Cold War, and war against communism, and also civil rights that are happening, all these different movements that are happening, the undercurrents. I thought it'd be good just to take a second to take a little bit of a breath from just plowing through the curriculum and kind of review some items and kind of give you guys an opportunity to check out a review item that might be helpful. And we have these for all the periods. So for today's activity, what you're going to do is going to be actually using this. Let's see here. Sorry. We're going to be going to the Gilder Lehrman website. This website has been created just for AP. This directs you right to period 8, but notice that you can have all the periods, and again, they're aligned to our class and the test. And what I wanted you to draw your attention to is the timeline. So each of these periods, and this one being period 8, has a timeline down here at the bottom, and it's really cool. So, and also, if you haven't done an activity and you kind of like this is actually a JS embed period project activity. So all the directions are actually on those period project ideas for you to check out if you ever want to do something like this for your period project. But this timeline, you just kind of go back and forth. If you click things, it gives you information. It gives you maybe another 6 to 7 minute videos. Sometimes they're by very esteemed college professors, and I mean they're getting really into the deep part of U.S. history. But as you kind of click through, what's kind of cool is it goes in time, but kind of comes back and forth. So we did activity on the growth of the suburbs in Levittown. So there would be that. Here comes Harry Truman and the containment doctrine and the Iron Curtain that fell upon Europe. The Truman Doctrine, the Marshall Plan, and the Berlin Airlift, right? And so there's a Berlin blockade. So as you guys go through, I think it helps you understand, hey, when the Korean War was, when the Vietnam War, all these different situations that we've kind of gone through. So what I'm asking you to do, there's a lot of different items, as you can see, but I really like this timeline because especially for period 8, because it seems to take all these kind of different things that were happening as we kind of rewound and gone back and forth and kind of put some chronologically in order for us, obviously, in a timeline. So as you guys go through these, just pick a couple of items that you kind of see. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the title. So in this case, it'd be the Affluent Society. And you would put the Affluent Society where it says slide title. And then you're just going to write down some notes of what you learned or kind of just kind of something new that you learned to help you understand period 8 a little bit more. So you'll do that for a total of 10 items, whatever 10 items that you think are the most helpful. And hopefully you found a new strategy also to help you review for the test. Once again, going back to this website, we do have these for periods 1 through 8. Really cool little review thing. It's really cool because they have answer basically one key term or one key concept in a paragraph, right? Instead of spending 12 pages on it, and has some visuals and some other auditory and video type of experiences for students to really learn. So hopefully you find it helpful. All right, guys, that's for that activity. We'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.